ready to fire this up. There's my 100 amp disconnect, my 2-gauge copper 4-conductor cable going in. So the panel's back here. So the switch is on, showing 240 volts right there. So turn the key to the on position here. And I haven't messed with this yet. This is for adjusting this the head up and down. But basically there's the cutter head there. Then I'll start the back cutter head, and then I'll start the feed belt. So this is the first cutter head, and you're gonna watch this spike come back down and spike. That's a star delta starter. So star is only 3 of the 6 fields being energized for a lower voltage startup, and then when it hits a certain RPM, then you'll see it drop down and kick back up and drop back down. So there's a star starting. Now it's dropping back down. Now it kicks. Now it's doing delta. So that's the first cutter head. There's a second cutter head. Now that delta kicked in. Now I'm going to hit the feed belt. So the feed belt's running. This is the feed indicator for the feed belt. So right now, if you look underneath there, I'm going to slow it down. So that's the carpet feed. That runs all the way along here. There's the first cutter head spinning right there. And then it continues along here. Another 3-4 feet. And then there's the pressure bar, and then there's the last cutter head spinning right there. And then this is the discharge. And there's another conveyor start stop. And this is an up-down button to adjust the so it's going up and down. I don't have dust collection hooked up yet, so I'm pretty stoked. That'll shut her down. And this spins any direction you want it, the control panel. Then you just turn this key to the off position. And that cuts power. So I'm pretty stoked.